Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 13 Pro and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's swipe your finger from the top to the center to open the options. There we've got the timer, so let's tap on it, and as you can see there are 4 different options available: the off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option, it will be immediately applied here. What is more, after getting back to the camera, you can see that it is also notified right here. We've got the small icon, which is a really nice touch because we can always check whether we've got the timer set or not, and we will not be surprised after pressing the shutter button. Alright, so let's actually do it. Let me tap on it. And as you can see, from now on, your device will count down from 10, 3 or 5, depending on which option you've chosen. And after that time, it will simply take a photo. Okay, if you want to, you can quickly turn off the timer just by tapping on this icon, and the timer will be off, or you can do it right here. So if you've got the 10 seconds delay, just tap on this crossed out icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.